Action.
Hey guys, Ford Man here. I am getting ready to try some barbecue ribs
That's what I'm saying.
that Nomadic Rat Pack had made, and some deviled egg potato salad.
Oh, really? Where's the potato salad? I didn't even see that.
Nomadic Rat Pack had made as well.
Oh, shoot. Christian.
Nomadic
Can I
Rat
have
Pack.
some potato salad? A little spoon is good. Thank you, sweetie. Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Taste test, here we go.
Multitasking here.
Mmm.
Nice and tender.
Nice and tender and soft.
Thank you.
And
It's making my tongue slap my brain.
it'll
that's for
definitely
sure.
make your tongue slap your brain. So I definitely give these ribs a 10.5.
I did not buy it, but I was
10.5.
Alright.
They're good. I'm getting my second round of ribs.
The
Tater salad.
deviled egg potato salad. Here we go. Mmm. Guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, that is definitely a 10.5 as well.
Meat and taters, huh?
And yeah. So I give this a 10.5 all the way across the board. And I want to thank Nomadic Rat Pack Troy for allowing me to try these ribs. And thanks, Fairy Dust. Thanks, Fairy Dust, for being my camera.
Yes, sir. I was yakking away.
And I'm going to get off here and enjoy the rest of my meal. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
There's the shenanigans. Show them the food over there, buddy.
This is the food.
Yeah.
We've got watermelon and Christian and Troy's ribs, sauce and no sauce, tater salad, fideo, and I think these are beans here?
No, it's the sauce.
Oh, the sauce.
Yeah,
The
just in
secret
case
sauce.
Yes.
So, have at it. Hi, Christian. Are you having fun here?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. All right, guys.
And thanks, Christian, for your help.
Oh, you're welcome, Kenny.
Don't give Fairy Dust the camera because she'll just go on and on. Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.